everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a badge, make updates to it and submit that badge to get those listings active on your marketplace. So let's get started. Logging into SellerChamp, click on the Badges menu, which will bring you to this page where you have all your badges. Create a new badge, give it a name. By default it's today's date, but you can change this to anything you want to. I'm going to name it the test badge. Ship from, it's where our items are shipped from, but it's optional. You don't have to give an address. If you want to keep track of where you purchased this inventory lot from, if that's the reason you are creating the badge, then go and pick a supplier purchase order number if you are receiving a purchase order. Badges can also be used to receive purchase orders into your warehouse. So that's what it is for. You can enter a purchase order number here. Let's say you want all your SKUs to start with a specific prefix. For example, the name of the supplier, the initials of the supplier. So you can use SKU prefix here. Wherever prefix you put in here, when we generate a SKU, we are going to prefix it with this in front. Basically, the idea is that you receive inventory into your warehouse and then you can transfer that inventory into a specific marketplace, whether that's Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and so forth. You might have inventory that you purchase, but not all of it you sell online. Maybe some of it you sell in a retail store, or you want to receive everything into your warehouse. You've got inventory control and you can transfer that inventory into different accounts. Maybe you want to send some to FBA, send some to eBay, and so forth. In my case, it happened to be on Amazon account and it's asking me, do I want to ship these items as FBA items into Amazon, or do I plan to ship them out myself? I'm just going to go with the second option here. I want to ship this item myself. If the customer buys it, then I'm going to hit the Add Badge button and that's going to bring me to this page. Here your badge is empty. Add or upload items to this. In this video, I'm going to go over how to add items by scanning them in. What you need is you can copy and paste. You can type in the barcode yourself, which is slow. Copy and pasting isn't always that efficient, but you can have a barcode scanner. That is the most efficient way of adding items to a manifest. What you do is you purchase a barcode scanner. You can get one at Amazon for like 20 bucks, not expensive. Buy one of these, plug them in, and you can just start scanning. You can either scan up codes or you can scan ASIN codes, all work. In this case, what's happening is this UPC code matches multiple products on Amazon. So we've got this UPC code that matches the bag. Check it out, we've got that same UPC code that matches a bundle. It's got two bags, set of two bags, same UPC code. This happens a lot. Here we've got the same UPC code but with another bundle. So what SellerChamp is doing, it's asking that UPC code has multiple matches, so pick one. In my case, I'm just setting the bag by itself. Let's say I'm just going to hit select, and now this item has been added to my manifest. You can select more items if you want so, or you can just close the model if that was the only one you're interested in. I'm just going to close it now. What happened here is a few things. Number one, we've dynamically generated a random SKU. If you were using custom SKU settings, this would be a customized SKU that would be generated as per your settings. We figured out the Amazon fee because we are on Amazon Marketplace right now. We have had an Amazon fee here, what it would cost you to ship. We've got the sales rank, we've got the number of offers, number of other people selling this item, net profit. You can put in your cost price and your net profit would be calculated accordingly. So for now, for me, that would be $22.49. We've also fetched the price at which this is currently selling on Amazon, $29.99. We've initialized your price at what you don't have to go with, but this is helpful because you can change it then. For example, I want to make it $32.99. Just mouse over it and make your change. Quantity, by default it's 1, but you can change that as well. For example, let's change it to 10 if you want to. All of these zeros have been automatically fetched, But if I click on pictures, I see that all the pictures have been fetched as well. If I click edit, and I see that details and descriptions have been automatically fetched, and all of these other settings here that you can see in your product gen code, shipping template, if you specify this in your marketplace settings as default settings, this would be automatically populated as well. We are going to go to selling details. My selling price is there. My cost price, I just put in there. Shipping details, I've got the shipping weight, the item rate, the shipping weight automatically fetched from Amazon, dimensions automatically fetched for you, handling time comes from your default settings. As you can see, a lot of this data has automatically been populated for you, saving you a ton of time. All you do is you scan in your next item and then next item and then next item. Once you are done scanning everything in and make changes that you need to make, hit submit to Amazon, and then all of this will be live on Amazon. Let's say you've got multiple marketplaces, not just Amazon. Let's say you have eBay, Shopify, and Walmart, and you want to sell this across all of them. You can just hit submit to all marketplaces and this item will be live across all of them. But that's not always an ideal solution because this title has 200 characters. That's too long for eBay. For example, eBay will only allow 80 characters in most cases. In this case, you want to copy in this to eBay, but you don't want to make it live because it's going to fail. So for that, there is another option. You can copy this entire manifest, not just one item, and let's say you scanned in 100 items into this manifest, and you can actually copy this manifest, make a copy of it for eBay, and then make changes specifically for eBay and then submit it to eBay. But let's say you don't know the barcode, you don't know the UPC code or ASIN number, but you happen to know the name of the product. For example, it's a matinee travel laptop backpack. I can just type that in and hit, and it's going to search and bring me matching products by the title, and then I can just select the right one. So that's the other way of doing it, where you can search and it will pull up. When it pulls up, it will also populate the UPC code if it can find it, which in most cases it can, but that's really helpful specifically for eBay, because for eBay they are putting more and more focus on UPC codes now. If you don't have UPC code for an item, SellerChamp can most likely automatically fetch it for you. The other thing I want to talk about is item location. You are listing this item on Amazon, but you are going to store it somewhere in your warehouse, right? Might as well give it a location where you are going to store it. You can do that as you are scanning your items at a time. I'm going to put it in bin 7. Scan it in and it will remember that, but some users will scan everything in first, make it live on Amazon, and then assign bin locations after. The fact is, you can do that as well. Once it's listed, you can go into the location field and type in bin 7. There are 3 ways to assign locations. One is you put in the location while you are scanning in. The other is after scanning in, you type in the location. There is another one which is click on more actions, assign item locations, and here you can just type in the location, scan that item in. So just before you put in B7, scan it in and it will get that location. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Sign up for our 14-day free trial, set up an onboarding call, and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.